that? I'm so scared right now. Oh my god, there it is again.
Might be like a kid or something.
Someone could have really needed help. That first one scared the hell out of me. Right, guys? There it is again. All right, someone's screwing around. Did you guys just hear it? Right over there, right? That's you guys. You guys gotta go.
What happened to the people in the back?
They're
Well,
just.
no, there's just screaming. Do you guys know what's going on?
It's coming from over here. We're trying to work, and you guys are coming from this direction, so it just looks a little weird.
It looks weird. Wait, hold on. I just heard it again.
I heard
So
it
I guess
again.
it's not any of us.
Okay, there we go.
There we go. There we go. It was one of you two jack off.
What is happening?
It was one of you two. Get out.
We're all trying to stop you.
No, we're trying to shop, and you guys are being rude.
You out. Please leave.
These guys weren't doing it.
Yeah.
I know, but they came up here.
Yeah.